In this video, I'll show you how to enter promo code in 1xBet. You can subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to enter promo code in 1xBet, this is exactly what you should do. The first is come out to this page here and then click on registration. To enter a 1xBet promo code that is going to activate, there is only one option that's going to work, which is by email. Once you choose by email, fill in your details and choose your country. So once you choose your country, fill in your date of birth and your email address, and then put in a phone number and create a password using these 8 or 4 requirements. As you use 4 requirements, you're going to come over here and then enter the promo code Leo TV. So this is how to enter promo code by just typing it down here and use Leo TV. If you use Leo TV, 1xBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that you deposit 1,000, you're going to receive 3,000 as bonus. So once that is done, you're going to get on these 3 boxes and then go ahead and register your account. After registering your account, complete your first deposit, and 1xBet promo code is going to be activated. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful.